Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will study the chapter Science to Save Life of Science of class 10 of English medium. The first topic of our today's discussion is radiotherapy. What is radiotherapy? Radiotherapy is the use of radiation in the treatment of any disease. It is mainly used in cancer treatment. In radiotherapy, high power X-ray is used to destroy cancer cells. Through this X-ray, DNA in the cancer cell is destroyed so that the cells don't multiply. That means to reduce the cancer cell, we apply an X-ray. And by using radiotherapy, a tumor is shortened before surgery or the remaining part of the tumor after surgery is demolished. Here, a radiotherapy machine is shown in the picture. Here, if we see, this one is the device through which we can send a X-ray, high power X-ray beam, and which will pass through the patient's body. Let us see the procedure of taking radiotherapy. Patient is lying here and the device is set like this, and the attendant and the doctor is here, and it will after some time just the patient is take the radiotherapy or the patient is taking radiotherapy. The process of radiotherapy is shown here. Problem in this treatment. In this treatment, a high power X-ray beam is sent to destroy cancer cell. As the beam cannot be sent only at the area attacked with cancer, some healthy cells in the surrounding area are also destroyed. When radiotherapy is stopped, the healthy cells begin to be active again. So, in radiotherapy, some good cells are destroyed as well as the cancer cell, but after the treatment is over, the good cell start to again recovery. The second topic of the treatment of our today's discussion is chemotherapy. Owing to cancer, the cell division rates increases abnormally. Chemotherapy is such a treatment where a special chemical is used to destroy fast dividing cancer cells, which are harmful to the body. It is a widely used process in cancer treatment. Nowadays, chemotherapy is very popular, and with the help of chemotherapy, many cancer patients are being recovered from the disease. Procedure. Every living body is formed of cells. These cells increase in size or in number by division. Chemotherapy is done on the basis of this division of cells in the living body. The chemical medicines used in chemotherapy are applied at a definite stage of cell division. The chemical medicine is selected depending on the stage of cell division in which the medicine will be applied. It continues for a fixed period, such as once daily, once weekly, or once monthly. Risk or side effects of chemotherapy. There are some problems of having chemotherapy. The major problem, that is visible problem. Number 1, fall of hair. Number 2, burning of some organs like palate of hand and foot. Number 3, problems in digestion. Problems like diarrhea, dehydration, vomiting, and so on. For having chemotherapy, we usually observe that the patient may have severe diarrhea and as well as also vomiting. Number 4, obstruction in producing red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelet. That means chemotherapy obstructs in producing the blood. Strategies to avoid risks of chemotherapy. Number 1, to keep attention on body temperature. That means the temperature of the patient should be monitored very closely. Number 2, to take liquid or soft food. As for having chemotherapy, the patient suffers from diarrhea or digestion. That's why the patient should take soft food and liquid food so that the patient can digest the food easily. Number 3, to clean the waste like stool, urine, vomit, etc. of the patient taking chemotherapy very carefully with antiseptic. That means the waste of the patients of having chemotherapy should be cleaned very carefully. Isotopes and its uses. Isotopes are variants of a particular chemical element which differ in neutron numbers. In nature, various isotopes of many elements are normally found as radioactive. Moreover, radioactive isotopes can be produced by nuclear reaction. In medical treatment, this radioactive isotope is very often used, as these isotopes are used to identify diseases, so they are used to cure diseases also. Some important isotopes for treatment of some fatal diseases. Number 1, cobalt 60 is a gamma ray radiating isotope which is used to destroy cancer cells by using gamma rays. Number 2, iodine 131 is used in thyroid treatment. Number 3, in the treatment of leukemia, a kind of blood cancer, phosphorus isotope, that is P32, is used. Now we will discuss about a creative question, that is, this creative question is in your book. Mr. Rahman is suffering from belly ache for a long time. He saw a doctor for this problem. The doctor advised him to go for endoscopy. On the other hand, Shumon, the son of Mr. Rahman, suddenly fell from the stair, sustained a blow and fractured his hand. Subsequently, he went to the doctor. The doctor advised him to go for X-ray. Question number A. Write the full name of MRI. You can write it from your book. What is MRI? Number B. What does it mean by radiotherapy? Already today we have discussed this. What is radiotherapy? Number C. Why did the doctor advise Shumon to go for X-ray? The answer in short, you will write the answer in detail and show me later on, but now I tell it in short. That is, when some bones of our body get fractured, then to determine the fracture we get the X-ray of that portion. That's why the doctor advised Shumon to have X-ray. Number D, how much effective is endoscopy to diagnose the disease of Mr. Rahman? Give your opinion. Yes, since Mr. Rahman is getting pain in his stomach or belly, that's why endoscopy is the process to find any ulcer or any problem in the stomach. That's why the doctor advised Mr. Rahman to have endoscopy, and I think the opinion was correct, and you will write in detail in your note copy and show me when the college is open. So what we learned from today's discussion: number 1, what is radiotherapy and the use and risk of radiotherapy. Number 2, what is chemotherapy and the use and risk of chemotherapy. Number 3, what is isotope and the use of isotope. And number 4, creative questions. So I am at the end of the class. I hope you understood the topics what I discussed today. In the next class, I will discuss another points in detail. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.